Choosing the right algorithm for a problem statement depends on several factors, including the size and nature of the data, the goals of the project, and the resources, e.g. computational power and memory, available. Here are some general steps to help you choose an algorithm. Understand the problem, clearly define the problem and determine the goals of the project. Explore the data, understand the size, structure, and characteristics of the data you will be working with. Review the literature, research existing algorithms and methods for solving similar problems. Evaluate potential algorithms, consider the resources available and the scalability of the algorithm. It is also a good idea to test a few different algorithms with a sample of the data to see which one performs best. Make a decision, choose the algorithm that best meets the goals of the project and is feasible with the available resources. It is also important to keep in mind that the best algorithm for a problem may change over time as new algorithms are developed and computational resources improve.